Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fun Fold Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Wildflower Celebration stamp set. My main focus is on the Specialty Designer Series paper or pattern paper. This cardstock is Pretty in Pink and it is 7 1/4 long, 5 1/2 tall. I'm going to score it on the long side at 3 inches. I have a hinge mechanism that is 1 1/2 inches tall, 4 inches wide. I'm scoring at the 1 inch mark. I'm folding and burnishing the score lines of the card and hinge mechanism. I am going to adhere them with the Tombow Mono adhesive. This is a very strong adhesive. You do not want this glue to scoosh out of where it is or where you want it to sit, because it is repositionable. So that means that the glue always remains sticky. Hopefully you understand that. So if a little bit comes out, the card will remain, or wherever it's sticking out or gushing out, it will remain sticky. And so you never know, you might glue your card into the envelope. Trust me, I've done this before. So I am folding that, putting glue on the little hinge part, and then I am just, it's about 1 inch, or yeah, like an 1.5 inches from the bottom. So here I have 2 pieces of cardstock, and they are, let's see, 3 by 3. Nope. 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. So I've placed the back one where I want it to go. I'm not gluing it yet, just using it as a place marker, just so I can sort of visualize where I want that flap to be. And then I'm going ahead and putting the front one on. I just found this was easier so that I can put the glue where I need it. It did slip a little bit on me. Sometimes filming and doing these things it's not like you're just creating like right in front of your face. I always have to make room for the camera. Anyway, I'm not complaining. I just put a little bit of glue on the back side and the flap, and now I can put that back side on. Hopefully you're picking up what I'm putting down here so that you can follow along easily. So here we have, this is the Wildflower Birthday Specialty Designer Series paper, and this is going to go on the front flap, and it is 2 3/4 by 5 1/4. And then I have the back side of that paper, and it's a nice pink, Pretty in Pink gingham, and I'm going to put that on the inside of the card. And did I say what that was? 4 by 5 1/4. And then I just have another piece of basic white, 2 3/4 by 5 1/4, and I'm just going to tuck that on in the inside where you can write the greeting, because I am going to decorate the flap on the front and the back. And I'll use a basic white matte too. So the basic white matte is 3 1/8. And I have the Designer Series paper, and that is 3 by 3. So I always like to have a little white matte, especially if the cardstock color that I'm using and the Designer Series paper that I'm using is of the same color. Sometimes that little white matte just helps make it stand out. And it also makes this flap quite heavy, so I know that it's going to stay closed. You know, it's sometimes when you're doing fun folds, it can bounce up on you. Anyway, and I know that this one's going to lie flat. So yeah, I'm going to have a PDF, you guys, for you to download if you want. So the link is in the description box below, or if you're on my blog, there's a great big pink button that says download the PDF here. Okay, so this is blueberry bushel, which is in the pattern paper, and I'm inking up the word celebrate. And I'm fussy cutting this out. I think there's dies that go with it, but I don't think that it has the word celebrate. I could be wrong, but I don't have the dies. So I know that this is like a whole suite where you have embellishments and you get the stamp set and the specialty paper and the dies and the sticker sheet. I do have the sticker sheet. I didn't use it this time, but what I really like about this specialty designer series paper, first of all, it's shiny and it has a bit of gold to it, but also has this sheet, 2 sheets of this, and these are die cuts, so I can pick and choose a item that I want. So I've chosen the flowers, and yeah, that's what I'm going to use to decorate my card with. So I put dimensional adhesive on the back side, and I'm going to situate this on the card, and then I'm going to put celebrate using that Tombow mono adhesive. So again, you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video's See More section on YouTube or in the supply section of my blog. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for spending time with me today, for all the comments and thumbs up and doing all the YouTube-y things. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it, as it really helps my small channel grow. So thanks again for watching, and bye for now.